In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and share a Canva template link for invitations in order to sell it as a digital product on Etsy, even if you've never sold anything online before. And just so you know, if you want help at picking the right type of digital product to create, I made a guide with 500 plus digital product ideas that are selling right now. That's linked down below if you want a shortcut before you start building anything from scratch. Now let's head on over to Canva. So let's say you have just created this beautiful invitation template and you want to start selling it as a template to give to your customer. They can come back into Canva, change the names, change the dates, the times. You want to give your customer a template link. So how do you do that? We're going to go right here into share and make sure you do not click on copy link. You don't want to do any of this. What you do want to do is go into see all. And then from there, get this one right here that says template link. This is the link that we want to give our customer upon purchase. So let's go ahead and put template link. And we're going to go ahead, create template link. And then right here, this is the link that we want to give our customers. So we can copy this link. Now, where do we put this link? Because over on Etsy, they don't allow you to just copy and paste this link for your customers to grab. So what I like to do is I like to create a thank you PDF. So we're going to copy this one more time. It's copied perfect. So what I have created here is a thank you PDF. So basically what I want to do is I want to change enter shop name. I want to change it here to my shop name, Passive Playground. Here for the name, I'm going to put Mermaid Invitation. I'm going to put here an image of the invitation that they just purchased. So going back to my invitation, I'm going to go into share, download, and I'm going to download it as a PNG. And here I'm just going to drag and drop and just place it inside the tablet, just like that. And then here where it says download, that is where I'm going to paste my template link. And again, if you want to go back into your template link and copy it one more time, just go into share. And now you're actually going to see that it says live template link right here. If you don't see that, again, you can go into see all and get your template link right here. So it says live because we've already created it. Let's just go ahead and hit copy. We go back into our thank you PDF. And then right here, we're going to click on our text, go into the three buttons, click link, and then hit paste. And hit done, and that is it. Now it's linked, and if you hover over it or if you click on it, you're actually going to see Mermaid Invitation. That is where it's going. And that is it. So now all you have to do is save this as a PDF. And this is the most important part because let me show you. You're going to go into share, download, and then right here where it says PNG, I know it says suggested. We do not want to do that. We want to do PDF standard. And you're going to see PDF print, PDF standard. Make sure you go in and you put PDF standard because that's what's going to give you that clickable link. And then we're going to go ahead and hit download. Now, the other thing that you're going to want to do is also create a mockup for your listing images. So on Etsy, for example, Etsy gives you 10 different image slots to put your mockups in. So what's a mockup? It is basically a display of your digital product and putting it in different angles or different like use cases, letting your customer know what they're getting, how to customize it, all of it. So for example, you can go into apps right here at the bottom, search for mockups. And then this one right here, let's click on that and look at all of these beautiful mockups that you can create. So at the top, you can always search invitations or whatever it is that you're creating. And look at this. You can put your mockup, you can put your invitation. So for example, let's go ahead and use this one right here. Now you want to make it as big as your canvas. Now, usually the canvas for Etsy, I do them 2000 by 2000. So this is not the right size, but I just want to show you how you can create very simple mockups like this. So now all you have to do is drag and drop your invitation image. And then you drag and drop it to the actual template and it's going to show up just like that. Look at that. So that could be one image. You can create a lot of different ones showing variety. For example, we could use this one as well. And there you go. Look how beautiful that looks. So it's really good to place your invitation cards with an actual context of how it's going to look, or any sort of digital template that you're creating here in Canva. You always want to mock it up to give your customer an idea of how it's going to look when it's printed. So for your listing images, you can definitely use these smart mockups, and you could do these again. You can search here, or you can do, for example, this one's smartphones. I use a lot of computers since a lot of my digital products you can view it on the computer. So I like to put them on the computer as well. So there is a lot of options here in Canva to make your products stand out. So now on Etsy, we are going to go ahead and go into listings, and we're going to add a listing right here at the top. And then it's going to ask me the category. I'm going to put here invitation template. Perfect. And then let's hit continue. And then here I'm going to put as a digital file, who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product. When was it made? 2020 to 2025. How is the digital content created? And this is where you can put created by me or with an AI generator. So you do have to put that if you are creating some images and content that is AI generated. So for this example, some of my images were generated with AI, so I'm going to put with AI. And then we're going to go ahead and click continue. So here we're going to put the title. So for this example, I put editable mermaid invitation template under the sea party invite for girls. And then here we're going to put the mock-up images that we created. This is where you're going to showcase like the actual digital product in someone's hands or on the computer or on the tablet. You want to make sure you are using all 10 photos and one video. But the most important part I wanted to show you is here with digital files. It says buyers can download these files as soon as they complete their purchase. So this is where you're going to put that PDF that we created. So I went ahead and dragged it and put it in here. And as you can see, it says birthday bash invitation PDF. That is how they're going to get access to the invitation template. Then continue filling all this out, the description, the pricing, the quantity. I always go ahead and put 999 for my quantity and continue filling all of this information. And once you are done with the tags, the materials, all of it, then we go ahead and hit publish. Now, here's the part most people get stuck on. They spent hours designing one invitation and then realize they don't even know if it's going to sell. You don't have to start from scratch like that. Inside my Digital Goldmine membership, I give you done for you Canva template planners and digital products every single month, already designed, editable, and ready to sell. If you're someone who wants to launch quickly, get sales faster, and not spend all day stuck in Canva, you are exactly who I made this for. Everything's rebrandable, plug and play, and yours to sell. And I'll leave the link in the description box below. And remember, you can do this. Selling Canva templates on Etsy is beginner friendly, scalable, and one of the simplest digital income streams to start with. Also, don't forget to grab my free 500 plus digital product ideas guide below if you want to brainstorm fast. And if you're still wondering what actually sells, watch this next where I'll show you what's working right now so you can build products people are already searching for. I'll see you there.